We are at the Tibidabo Hill. It's one of the hills surrounding Barcelona, and it's a great place because you can have some nature. You can be outside with your dog or your bike, and you can reach the hill by public transport. It's great to be here again because actually I live in Barcelona, but I didn't come here for years. I came here with my family when I was a child because here behind there is an attraction park or a theme park. It's very old, but it's very nice and children like it very much. And it's a good feeling I have been here.